Hey guys, good morning YouTube. Decided to go ahead and come on out this morning to go ahead and knock this little bit of the install out. Just put in the headlights, just put in the grill. Man, it's amazing what new eyes and what new smile it got now. Totally look like a whole different brand new truck, be honest with you. Right now I'm just waiting on the badging, the Ford badging, which is going to be black and silver. So yeah, man, it's just coming together, man. It's coming together. Yeah, it is coming together. Man, that looks good. Like I said, just patience. That's all I can tell you, just patience. When you're doing all this by yourself, just patience. You're gonna mess up. You're gonna figure some things out. You're gonna be like, okay, damn, okay, I'm gonna do that way. I'm gonna do that this way. But it's all patience. That's all it is. Just patience, and you'll figure it out. And once you figure it out, you're gonna be like, dang, man, yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna cut on the lights and see what the lights look like, and we'll see what it look like. All right, looks good. From the looks of it right now, I believe I have a bad light over here. Something I didn't know. Now I know. Now I can solve the problem. Yeah, I have a bad light over there because obviously that light supposed to be on just like that light right there. But yeah, I like it, man. I like it. Other than that light right there, I like it. So, hey, trial and error. You'll figure it out. Don't get discouraged. Just keep on trying to do what you got to do. But I'm going to try these blinkers out, though. Let me try the blinkers out, just see if it's just another problem I need to figure out myself right now. Well, what it looks like, my low beams light might be out because the blinker light comes on, so everything might be okay. Well, it's not okay because I got to get that changed out. But I really want to go to LED lights. Later on tonight, I'm gonna come out and just see what it looks like. But yeah, man, I think that's a hell of a beautiful job right here. So we get back at y'all later. Probably run up the AutoZone and see what I can see. But yeah, I love it. Tell me what you think about it.